Now the final set operation we're going to observe is known as symmetric difference. And what symmetric difference allows us to see are those items that are included in either set A or B, but if they are shared, we will not show them in our result. And the way we can perform symmetric difference is by using the caret operator, i.e. the little arrow that points up. And the same can be accomplished using the symmetric underscore difference method. So let's see it in action. Seeing as we know that items 4 and 5 are shared between sets A and B, these would be the values we expect to be removed from our final result. So if we put A caret B, you can see we get a result set 1, 2, 3, which is from set A, and then 6, 7, and 8 from set B. 4 and 5, seeing as they are shared values, will not be included in our output. Now, because there is only one result set that can be obtained, it doesn't matter what we call the symmetric underscore difference method on, it will obtain the same result. So if we put A dot symmetric underscore difference and then pass in B to the parentheses, we get 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. And if we were to also call the symmetric underscore difference method on B and then pass in A into the parentheses, we once again get 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. So the symmetric difference operator allows us to obtain the values from both sets, but those values which are shared will not be included in our final result.